poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. It has been forever, I feel like, since I have said that, so I am pretty excited. We also have some pretty cool deals as well, just like this one here that's on the screen. So basically all slime is going to be 20% off plus an additional 10% off on holiday slime, so you're getting 30% off of those. And then the first 10 orders, no matter what they are, 1 slime or 1,000 slimes, you're going to get a free 6 ounce that's going to be chosen for you at random. And then also the largest order is going to win a free 32 ounce, and then the second and third largest orders are going to be getting a free random 8 ounce. Now I do also want to mention that orders are going to be a little bit delayed just because we have some family stuff going on, and everybody that works for me is also part of the family. So yeah, orders are going to be shipped instead of Monday on Tuesday, so it's just going to be a day later than normal. And normally we don't take that long, so I'm so sorry. We just got a bunch of things that we have to do throughout this weekend and things like that, so I hope y'all understand, and I hope that y'all like the slime. So let's go ahead and get on to that. Let's go ahead and start off the restock with Space Jam. So this one here is a jelly slime. I just love this shot right here. The glitters are just blurred out a slight bit and it just looks super holographic and beautiful. I love it. Anyways, it's a jelly slime scented like mixed berries. It is, you know, inspired by the movie Space Jam and like outer space kind of theme. I love it. There are some large foam beads to represent like planets, and then there's also some holographic moon and star glitters in here as well. And it's just a super fun slime, very, very nice jelly. So snatch this one. It's a black to blue kind of like color strip slime depending on what light you look at it in. And yeah, when it fluffs up, it becomes like a lighter blue color like what you're seeing here, and it's just really nice. This next slime you all know and love if you are familiar with my slime shop. This here is Chanel number 2. It is my #1 bestseller scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. We actually got 2 different Bubblicious bubblegum scents and blended them now. So if you haven't had a Chanel recently, then it does have a little bit of an upgraded kind of scent. It smells a little bit sweeter and a little bit more realistic like Bubblicious bubblegum, but it's still basically the same like scent note, so it's really, really good. It's a thick and glossy slime. It was a little bit stiff in the clips that I'm showing you right now. However, there are clips after this that will show you the actual texture of it. It was just really cold and I forgot to turn on my heater, and it was a fresh batch as well, so it didn't really have time to soften up, but I do show you what it looks like when you should receive it, so that's pretty cool too. Also, I just kind of want to apologize for the beeping in the background if you hear that, because it annoys me as well. I have a fire alarm or a smoke alarm, whatever they're called, and I need to change the battery of it, but I can't get that high, so gotta wait for somebody to come do that, you know what I mean? So sorry about it. Fruit Loop Cream is a new slime to the shop. It is a buttercream textured slime. It is a hybrid texture, so that means it is a like mix between a butter slime and a cloud cream. It's scented just like cream and like vanilla cream and Fruit Loops, obviously. So to me, it really does smell like pretty realistic to a Fruit Loop cereal bar. If you've ever had one of those, you know, like where it has the Fruit Loops on the outside and it's like a creamy like milk bar basically in the middle. It's really, really good. You should try them, but I digress. That's exactly what this smells like. It is a really nice texture, super, super creamy and sizzly and just amazing. I wanted to leave it white. I was going to add sprinkles and stuff to it, but I just really wanted a pure white slime this restock because I just thought that would be really fun. It's very, very like stress relieving for me to have like a pure white slime. I don't know what it is about it. And then also it does come with 3 Fruit Loop charms, which are pretty cool in different colors. So yeah, this one's a really good one. You should snatch. Alright, so texture-wise, I feel like frozen hot chocolate is definitely my favorite this restock. It's scented like hot chocolate, and it's an icy slash snow fizz hybrid, so it has fake plastic snow as well as the instant snow that we all know and love. And I just really love this clip here of like kind of scooping it like ice cream. It's super, super fun. This is super sizzly. It's clear base, so it's really, really cool. And yeah, it's just definitely a unique texture, and it also comes with a little piece of clay in the shape of a heart. It's to represent, like, you know, marshmallow you would put on hot chocolate. And I really, really love it. I made it in the shape of a heart because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I'm a fiend for Valentine's Day. It's my favorite holiday. I love it. So yeah, it's just really cool. You can choose to mix it, or you can choose not to. I show you what it looks like here without it mixed, and then afterwards in a couple of clips I will show you once you mix the clay in what it turns into. It's a great texture either way, and I really love it. Ice Mermaid is a new slime in the shop as well. It's probably the prettiest slime that I've ever had in the shop. It is so freaking cute. It's a fishbowl slime, and there are tons of fishbowl beads in there. It is really crunchy and amazing. This slime here is super clear, unscented, and it comes with 5 different glittery mermaid and under the sea themed charms. So you get like a little mermaid tail. You also get 2 seashells and 2 starfish, so that's pretty cool, and they're all really glittery and super, super pretty. I love it a lot. Unfortunately, I didn't play with this slime here just because it's a little overactivated still. However, the slime is going to be discounted, so you can go ahead and check that out. It should be perfect once it arrives like to you. Donut Jelly is a strawberry glazed scented jelly slime, and I am obsessed with the label right here. Like, I got the jelly to match the slime color exactly, and I love when that happens. It's super, super cool. This jelly slime is packed full of different sprinkles. There are rainbow sprinkles and also heart sprinkles because hello, Valentine's Day. And yeah, it also comes with a really cute donut charm as well. I love this a lot. It's super, super jelly-like, just like Space Jam, but this one's like super, super clear, and I just love it so much. It is time for Baja Blast now. This is my second bestseller in the shop. It is another hybrid slime. It's an icy slash cloud slime hybrid, so it's super, super nice and sizzly, and it's even fluffier than ever because we did revamp this texture. It's really, really nice. It does have a little bit of snow fallout, like little residue, but that is totally normal. I've never really met a icy slime that doesn't have that, and I have reviewed like everybody's icy slime, so you know what I mean. It's definitely something that is unfortunately there when you get an icy slime, but it's not hard to clean up. You just go ahead and pat it with the slime and it like absorbs back into the slime. It's totally easy. But yeah, this one's super fluffy and sizzly, even more than the previous versions of this slime. I am going to do a little drizzle here so y'all can see. It's just so beautiful, and it's still scented just like Baja Blast soda, so it smells really good. And lastly, to the restock, we have Honeydew Gloss, which is a new addition to the gloss family. If you don't know, my gloss texture is basically formulated to be super glossy. It's not the thickest of the slimes. It's more of like a figgly slime, if you know what that is. It's like thick and jiggly, but it's really nice. It has a little bit more stretch to it than Chanel No. 2, and it's just really good. This one, this big batch version, was taken the same day, and it was made the same day as the Chanel big batch version, so that's why it's a little bit stiff. Like I said, it was really cold, and I didn't turn on my heater overnight, so that was unfortunate, but it's all good. I also show you a clip of it a couple days after when it had time to soften. So yeah, it's just a really nice, really glossy, great for bubble pops and all of that. Super thick, but not too thick, and it's just amazing, and of course scented just like Honeydew Melon. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed the slimes and found some that you would like to purchase. Don't forget that we are giving away some free slimes, so that's pretty cool. And they're also discounted, so go ahead and check it out at the shop. It does go live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you don't live in Central Standard Time, then make sure you convert your local time zone so that you are on time and not late for the date. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!